Hi, David here with Tough Tractors. This is a Mitsubishi MTE2000. Really great shaped tractor. I mean, the paint almost looks brand new. Wheels aren't rusted out. Tires are in good shape. Look at the paint job on it. Has original seat, which is excellent condition. I'm pretty sure somebody kept this in a shed or in their garage. This has our new backhoe system on it. To see the video of the backhoe, I'll upload it to YouTube also, or you can go on our website and see it. I just didn't want to put them both together. The video would be too long. Anyhow, this is a 25 horsepower 3-cylinder diesel. Like I said, really nice tractor. Only 570 something hours on it. 573. This has got 1, 2, 3, 4 speeds. Actually 3. Low, neutral, medium, high. And then it's got the 3 main gears over here. Easy to get on and off. You're not climbing over anything. No stick shifts. It's got the joystick controller for a 5-foot bucket. This thing will pick up over 1,200 pounds. And still, it's narrow enough to go through a 4-foot gate. I don't know what the backhoe on it now, though. I didn't try. I don't think so, because that arm sticks out a little bit. It's probably not going to do it with the backhoe on it. Anyhow, number 8, Mitsubishi MTE2000. This, again, can't say enough how this is a really nice tractor. I mean, normally this area here is all rusty and stuff, and it's not rusty at all. They took the turn signals off for shipping so they wouldn't get broken, and there they are. Go ahead and start it up. Put in neutral so we don't fly away. Horn works, lights work. I'm sure I won't have this for long. This is going to go because it's just too nice shape here. Anyhow, again, this is Mitsubishi MTE2000. If you want to see more pictures of this, videos of the backhoe working, there's Charlie running away. Go to our website, ToughTractors.com, ToughTractors.com.